Hello, good morning students. So today we'll take one more problem here. So we'll solve this by midsection method. So I will read out the question here. Estimate the quantities and the cost of the earthwork for a portion of the road from the following data. The formation width of the road is 10 meter. Formation width of the road is 10 meter, that is B equal to 10. The side slopes are 2:1 in filling. S equal to 2 when it is in filling, and 1.5:1 in cutting. And the cost of the filling is rupees 180 per meter cube, and cost of cutting is rupees 120 per meter cube. And they have given the details here. Chainage is in terms of meter only they are given, means distance between those points can be easily determined here. So 0 to 40 it is 40 meter, from one chain to another chain is 40 meter. 0, 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240 to 80 meter. Okay, from it is a road of 280 meter length. All of the ground we have given here, and the all of the formation is at 0 meter chain is it is 101 meter. And what they are told, a rising gradient. So earlier problem what they have did is the downward gradient. In this problem they have given the rising gradient, means the road is in upward direction. Rising gradient of 1 in 400. Rising gradient of 1 by 400 into the distance between the two chains is 40 meter. So 1 by 400 into 40, that is 0.1, means from each chain it is going to be raised by 0.1 meter. So at 0 meter it is 101, at 40 meter it is 101.1, at 80 it is 101.2, 101.3, so on. So it is 101.7, the last. So now draw a profile of the ground here. Okay, chain is 0, 40, 80, 120, 60, 120, 60, 240 to 80. So for 0 meter chain is, what is your RL? 100.6. So 100.6, draw with the scale, 100.6. Okay, at 40 it is again 100.2, little lesser than this. Again for 80 it is 99.8, it is lesser than this. Again for 120 it is 100.2, for 160 it is 100.8, at 200 it is 101.9, next 102.4, 102.5. Afterwards draw the RL of the formation. At 0 meter it is 101, RL of the ground is 100.6 and 0.4 meter higher than that one. So draw this one. Afterwards the rising by 0.11 meter. So 0.1 meter, 100 not 1.2, 100 not 1.3, 100 not 1.4, 100 not 1.5, 100 not 1.6, 100 not 1.7. Join these line, formation line as well as the RL of the ground line. And now this is your depth of filling from this point to the entire this portion. It is RL of the banking or filling, earthwork for the filling, and this is earthwork for cutting. Correct, this much portion we need to be cut here. So find the depths here. The depth of cutting or filling is equal to RL of the formation minus RL of the ground. So RL of the formation is 101, RL of the ground is 100.6, so it is 0.4. Depth of filling it is 0.4. Likewise you calculate all other this one. So here it is RL of formation is 101.5, RL of the ground is 101.9. so it will be in terms of minus 4, that is cutting, minus 0.4. so likewise calculate all those depths here. Okay, and one more thing we need to calculate here the banking is going to be changed from filling to cutting in the chainage of 160 to 200. so where exactly it is, that we should to be calculate. So at 160 chainage the depth of cutting is 0.4, depth of filling is 0.6, At 200 it is depth of cutting is 0.4. So in between the distance is 40 meter. So let us assume this is at a distance of x, then remaining distance is 40 minus x. Okay, so now rationalize it. X by 0.6 divided by 40 minus x by 0.4. So cross multiplication, 0.4x 24 minus 0.6x. So it is 1x equal to 24, x equal to 24 means at a distance of 24 meter it is 0 depth, means here this point is at a distance of 24 meter. Okay, now this is the for width of the road, and slope for cutting is 1.5:1, slope for filling it is 2:1. Okay, now so we'll solve this by mid section method. B equal to 10, S for filling is 2, S for cutting is 1.5. Draw a table here. First enter the chainage details: 0, 40, 80, 120, 160, 184. So 184 I have inserted. 184 means it is 160 plus 24, it is 184, means up to this we'll have to calculate for the banking. After this we'll have to calculate for the cutting, earthwork in cutting. This is earthwork in banking. Okay, so this is at a distance of 24 meters. So 160 plus 24 it is 184. So 184 also I have taken here. 200 to 40 280. At 0 meter 0.4, 40 it is 0.9, 80 it is 1.4, 120 it is 1.1. So likewise 160 it is 0.6. At 184 it is 0. At 184 meter it is 0. Okay, 200 minus 0.4, 240 minus 0.8, 280 minus 0.8. So now for mid section method, take the average of the depths. So 0.4 plus 0.9 divided by 2, so it is 0.65 right here. 0.9 plus 1.4 divided by 2, it is 1.15. 1.4 plus 1.1 divided by 2, it is 1.25. 1.1 divided plus 0.6 by 2, it is 0.85. 0.6 plus 0 divided by 2, it is 0.3. 0 plus minus 0.4 divided by 2, it is minus 0.2. Minus 0.4 plus minus 0.8 divided by 2, it is minus 0.6. Minus 0.8 minus 0.8 divided by 2, it is minus 0.8. This is the mean depth. Square of these things. 0.65 the square, it is minus 0.4225. So likewise calculate d square here. Now this is B into D, area of the rectangular portion B into D. So B is 10 given into the D. 10 into 6.5 it is 6.5. 10 into 1.15 it is 11.5. 10 into 1.25 it is 12.5. 10 into 0.3 it is 3. 10 into minus 0.2 it is minus 2. So likewise you calculate the area of the rectangular area. Now area of the side triangle area, it is SD square. S is for filling it is 2. So 2 into 0.4225 it is minus plus 0.845. 2 into 1.32 it is 2.64. 2 into 0.72 it is 1.44. 2 into 0.09 it is 0.18. So here it is negative sign, means it is from this the cutting going to start, isn't it? So for this what we should take, s equal to 1.5. So 1.5 into minus 0.04 it is minus 0.06. 1.5 into 0.36 it is 0.54. 1.5 into minus 0.64 it is minus 0.36. So this is SD square. Now you add this BD plus SD square will lead to the area. 6.5 plus 0.845 it is 7.345. 8.5 plus 1.44 it is 9.94. Minus 2 plus minus 0.06 is minus 2.06. Minus 6 plus minus 0.4 it is minus 6.54. So this you will get the total area. So now the quantity, so just you multiplied with area into the length. The length is 40 meter. Okay, from one chain is to second chain is it is 40 meter. So 7.345 into 48 is 293.8. 14.14 into 48 is 565.6. Okay, 9.94 into 48 is 397.6. 3.18, here we should not take 40 because okay, here what is the distance? This distance we have calculated is 24. It is once in between 160 and 184, means 24. Okay, so 3.18 into 24, how much? 3.18 into 24. Why? It is 184 minus 160, it is 24. That is here, this much portion. So that is at a distance of 24 with the area of 3.18. So it will becomes 76.32. And afterwards minus 2.06, and the remaining distance 184 minus 200, it is 16. Okay, that is this portion from this to this. It is with the area of 2.06, distance is 16. 16 into minus 2.06, it will becomes in the cutting 32.96. Next is 6.54 into 261.6, it is 6.54 into 40, it is 261.6, and 8.96 into 40, it is 358. Add all these things. This is earthwork for banking, earthwork for cutting. So what they have given the rates also. So we'll have to draw abstract sheet. Item number, particulars, quantity, per rate, per amount. Okay, earthwork in cutting, earthwork in banking. What is the quantity? 1958.12. It is in terms of meter cube. Rate is 180 per meter cube. The amount is 3,52,461. It's the amount. For cutting it is 652.90 meter cube, 120 per meter cube. So multiply, you will get the amount 78,355. So this is the abstract sheet.